You have a book in you. And to get it from heart to page, consistency is important. But you don't need to force yourself. You simply need to recognize the phases of the creative process. In some phases, we receive the story from our heart, imagination, memories, the universe. We need to daydream and meditate. In other phases, we need to actively shape the piece. If you feel stalled, it might be because you only feel comfortable in one part of the process. We lose consistency when we don't realize which qualities of attention and action are needed, and when we don't believe we're capable of both feeling deeply and structuring effectively. Ritual and reflection help us transition between these phases with ease. Join us for Creative Sustenance, a free workshop to grow your joyful, nourishing, consistent writing practice. You'll unlock blocks and gain confidence in your ability to actually write your book. I can't wait to connect with you there.